Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about GUOTAI JUNAN I interim report. GUOTAI Junan International Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various segments. These include wealth management, brokerage, loans and financing, wealth management services, institutional investor services, market-making investments, structured product solutions, corporate finance, advisory services, debt and equity securities placement and underwriting, investment management, asset and fund management, investing in funds, debts and equity securities, other, rental income, information channel services, securities trading, futures dealing, margin financing, consultancy and financial services. The skyrocketing stock price of GUOTAI Junan International Holdings Limited in the past year. The stock price of GUOTAI Junan International Holdings Limited, stock code 1788HK, has skyrocketed due to a significant regulatory approval received in June 2025. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission granted the company an upgrade to its securities trading license, enabling it to offer virtual asset dealing services. This approval led to a substantial increase in the company's share price, with shares surging by as much as 718.85% within a short period. The stock price jumped significantly on June 24-25, 2025, with a record single-day trading volume of HK $16.39 billion. The virtual asset license approval was the primary news that caused GUOTAI Junan International's stock price to surge in the past year, resulting in a substantial rise in its value within a short period. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline, revenue growth and decline, are influenced by various factors. On the growth side, commission and fee income saw a significant increase of 51% to HK $178,866, while net trading and investment income rose by 52% to 394.5%. Interest income also experienced a notable surge of 9% to 40.6%. Furthermore, the corporate finance services segment witnessed a substantial boost from IPO fundraising activities, with 7 times the year-over-year increase. The investment management segment also saw a remarkable revenue surge of 317%. On the other hand, interest income from banks declined by 36.2%, contributing to revenue decline. Net income and profit margins. A significant improvement. The company's net income has seen a substantial increase of 182% year-over-year, indicating a significant improvement in its financial performance. This growth is attributed to the strong expansion in commission and fee income, interest income, and trading and investment income. Profit margins have also improved significantly, although the exact percentage increase is not specified. The indirect implication from increasing revenue and net income suggests that profit margins are rising. The company's market capitalization has surged 200% over the past year, further indicating a positive trend in its financial performance. The synergistic growth across all core businesses with high-quality results has contributed to this improvement. Overall, these changes reflect a strong and stable financial position for the company. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. According to the provided summary, the company has achieved positive operating cash flow in both 2024 and 2025. This is a significant indicator of the company's financial health, suggesting that it can cover its operational expenses and invest in growth initiatives without relying on external funding. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. While total liabilities decreased by 8% to HK $106.46 billion on page 11, other sections show varying trends. Total non-current liabilities increased by HK $110,300 in 2025, page 24, while bank borrowings and overdrafts decreased by HK $117.8 million, 30% decrease, and repurchase agreements increased by HK $129.1 million, 49% increase, on page 39. Interest expenses have generally increased, with a notable 36% year-over-year decrease to HK $367 million on page 9 being an exception. However, interest expenses increased due to higher financing costs on page 10 and rose by HK $37.30 in 2025, page 24. The overall trend suggests that the company's debt level has become more complex, with both decreases and increases observed across different sections of the financial summary. The company's financial performance reveals a mixed picture across different segments and regions. Notably, institutional wealth management and corporate finance services demonstrated strong profitability, with profits before taxation of $149,563 and $62,417 respectively. On the other hand, the others segment struggled, recording an other loss of $56,504. Management's outlook and strategy overview. The company is poised for continued growth, driven by increasing demand for its services. Management aims to improve asset quality and achieve stable interest income through strategic investments in fixed-income securities with low risk and high liquidity. The company's focus on driving growth in each segment, while managing risks and returns, will enhance shareholder returns. By prioritizing clients' needs and using financial products as hedging instruments, the company is well-positioned to maintain its momentum in a thriving securities market. That concludes the financial summary. For GUOTAI JUNAN I, feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.